Hello guys, Chris here, Raccoon Tactical. Um, got a little unboxing here today. Using our smoky gray RoseCraft Barlow. And this just came in from RoseCraft. Um, I believe this is the, yeah, get into it first. But this video should be dropping on the 28th of March. 28th of March is when this particular knife will be available. I think it was available once before, so this is like a re-release. Oh, smacking my tripod. Sorry about that, guys. Ah, yes. 328.25 public drop. Got the knife. Oh, they're trying to make it rough for us diabetics, I guess. And let's see here, what do we got? Wow. Now, this is one of the first times I've really handled a slip joint that has Stag handles. Yeah, this is going to be the RoseCraft Savage Creek Gunstock with Stag handles. Got a nice little bit thick, but texture on there. It's very nice, very very nice. A bit of clean this blade off. Still got some of that factory. Oh, again, apologize for smacking the tripod. I'm clumsy like that, y'all. Nice. Drop point-ish, foot point-ish blade. D2 steel, nickel bolsters. Nickel pins. Loving that. Fits in the hand really nice too. I mean, I want to compare it up next to the RoseCraft Barlow. Pretty close. There's some beautiful, beautiful craftsmanship, y'all. Really nice. Walk and talk on it. As you can tell, it's a little bit chunky. A little bit. Let's see here. Got a standard lip. And they're pretty nice. But if y'all are interested, these go live today at RoseCraft.com. Going to have a retail of $79.99. Man, that is that is straight fire, guys. I'm somewhat just now getting into slip joints and whatnot. I'm typically more of a balisong or like over here, more of a modern folder kind of guy, but this is quite impressive. These things are fingerprint magnets. But on the nice side note there, with the D2, you have a little bit better edge retention. You're going to get with your standard stainless steel that you get with a lot of your higher big brands. This thing's going to last. Be sure to check these guys out. RoseCraft.com. This one here is going to be dropping today. This is again, the Savage Creek Gunstock with Stag handles. And if you like what you see and you want to see me keep tripping and falling all over myself, you know what to do. Oh, I hit the tripod again. Like, share, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos.